Listen to a lecture in a developmental psychology class. Imagine a 1-year-old child in a laboratory playroom. The child explores the toys freely while a caregiver sits nearby. Suddenly, a stranger enters, and shortly afterward, the caregiver quietly leaves the room. What happens next reveals something important about early emotional development. Psychologists use structured observations like this to study attachment, the emotional bond between infants and caregivers. Rather than focusing on feeding or physical care alone, researchers examine how consistently and sensitively caregivers respond to distress signals. These responses shape infants' expectations about safety and support. In a series of controlled studies, infants were briefly separated from their caregivers and then reunited. Some children showed clear distress during separation, but quickly calmed when comforted. Others avoided eye contact and appeared emotionally distant upon reunion. A third group displayed intense distress and remained unsettled even after being picked up. These behavioral patterns were labeled secure, avoidant, and anxious-resistant attachment. Importantly, follow-up research found that securely attached children were more likely to engage confidently with peers during early school years. However, attachment classifications are not permanent labels. Changes in caregiving environments, family stress levels, and later supportive relationships can alter developmental outcomes. Researchers therefore emphasize patterns of interaction over single events. Attachment reflects ongoing relational experiences rather than isolated moments of separation or reunion.
Now answer each question based on what you hear in the lecture.